Introducing the Volcano Flame Ultrasonic Air Humidifier Essential Oil Aroma, a beautiful and functional product that is perfect for creating a relaxing and soothing atmosphere in your home. This humidifier features auto intelligent power off, ultra-quiet operation, less than 35 dB, essential oil diffuser, adjustable light mode, magma red and ice blue, ultrasonic atomization air humidifier, and 2 ways to spray mist. It has a 360 milliliters large capacity water tank, so you don't need to add water frequently. The ultrasonic atomization lets your skin stay delicately hydrated all day. You can add essential oils into the water to relieve anxiety and stress, and a comfortable smell fills the whole room. When water shortage, the machine will automatically power off. It works quietly, less than 36 dB, so you can humidify all night without disturbing your sleep. The product comes with a remote control, and you can choose to use it or not. It also has a 2H/8H timing setting for air humidifier and aromatherapy diffuser. This product is perfect for use in your bedroom, living room, study, and more. It is simple and easy to use. Just add water and essential oil, close the cover, connect to the power, and turn it on using the remote control or press the machine. Get your hands on this beautiful and functional Volcano Flame Ultrasonic Air Humidifier Essential Oil Aroma today, and enjoy the relaxing and soothing atmosphere it creates in your home.